So now, how to make past continuous tense negative? Okay, in negative, if we have to make a sentence in negative past continuous tense, then what is the rule? First, we will write subject. According to the subject, you will use was and were. Okay, then you will add not, because it is your negative sentence, so we will add not here. Okay. Then ing form of the verb, and then is your object. Okay. For example, you see here, I was not playing. He was not talking. They were not laughing. Okay. So in these three sentences, we are using was, we are using not, and we are using ing form of the verb. So this is your past continuous tense. And the sentence, it is your negative sentence. Yes, not is here, so this is your negative sentence. So when we use negative, past continuous negative sentence, when we will make, when we have to tell about any action that we were not doing in past, जो हम past में नहीं कर रहे थे, negative हमें बोलना है किसी काम के बारे में जो हम past में कर रहे थे और उस काम के लिए negative बताना है, then what we use negative sentence. Okay. So I was not playing means मैं नहीं खेल रहा था. Okay, in past मैं नहीं खेल रहा था. He was not talking, मैं बात नहीं कर रहा था. Okay, so here you are telling about, here we are telling about the work that we were not doing in past. Past में मतलब जो बीत चुका है उसमें हम ये काम नहीं कर रहे थे. Okay, that is it. They were not laughing, वो नहीं हंस रहे थे. ठीक है. So I hope you have understood this negative, how to make negative. Okay, subject plus was and were plus not plus ing form of the verb and then object. Okay, was and were, you all are knowing that this you will use according to the subject. If your subject is singular or I, it, he, she, then you will use was. Okay, and if your subject is you, they, we and all plural subjects, then you will use were. Okay. Now interrogative. All are knowing interrogative means you have to make a question. So now you have to ask a question or you have to ask anything that you were doing in past. Past में जो कोई काम कर रहे थे उसके बारे में हमें पूछना है. ठीक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Interrogative sentence बनाएंगे. So for making interrogative sentence, what is the rule? Again here, first you will start, because it is your interrogative question, so you have to start with the question word, है ना? Question word से start करना होगा. And in continuous, what is your question word? The helping verb. That is your question word. So here your helping verb is was and were. So you will start your question with was and were. Okay? So was and were according to your subject. If your according to the subject you will use was and were, then is your subject, then verb in ing form. Always remember it is continuous, so your verb should be in ing form plus object and then is your question mark. Okay, you can see the example here, you will understand. Was I playing? क्या मैं खेल रहा था? So I am asking a question for that work which is being done in the past. जो past में काम हो रहा था उसके बारे में मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ. Was I playing? क्या मैं खेल रहा था? ठीक है, या खेल रही थी. Was he talking? क्या वो बात कर रहा था? ओके, सो दिस, ये एक्शन जो है किसी टाइम पे पास्ट में, किसी टाइम पे ये एक्शन जो है वो हो रहा था, उसके बारे में हम क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं. ठीक है. Were they laughing? क्या वो हंस रहे थे? ठीक है. So this is again your past. So I hope you have understood this and you will remember in past continuous tense, what is the main thing which you will remember to use? Was and were and ing form of the verb. Okay, then it is your past continuous. Understood? Now see here, one sentence is given, he sleeps. Now you have to change this sentence into past continuous tense. Okay, so we have to change in past continuous tense. So what we will use? We will use was and were with ing form of the verb. So here he, with he what we will use? Was or were? We will use was, because it is your, with he we use was. Okay, so he was sleeping. This is your past continuous. He was sleeping. रहा था. Negative, he was not sleeping. Okay, we will add not in it. He was not sleeping. ing form of the verb. वो नहीं सो रहा था. ठीक है, पास में वो नहीं सो रहा था. Interrogative, was he sleeping? क्या वो सो रहा था? ओके, सो कोई भी चीज जिसमें हमें ये कहना हो कि ये काम हो रहा था, उसके लिए हम कौन सा टेंस लगाते हैं? पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. You can read more example, the table which is given in your book on page number 51. So read that. You will get clear and you will understand more. After that, we will do the exercise.